Uptown Swing level 1, Charleston.
Week 4, you did
It's
great
Stacia,
on Stacia.
right?
And that's Reader?
Yeah.
Reader Brown?
All right, so here we go. This is what we did. We did a lot of review, but skipping that review, here's the big new thing. We had kickaways. 1, 2, 3, 4, get into kickaways. Double kick, double kick, double kick. Then we went single,
Why are you
single.
talking
Oh,
that way?
yeah. Because I'm super cool, Stacia, that's why. Boom, boom. Once again, here's the around the world. We go single, single, double kick. When I'm done, I just hold on, and we get right back into it. Here's everything we did the whole month. We did basic. Ha, ha, ha. We learned to skip up. Rock step, kick step, woo! We turned back. Here's another, woo! Then we went into kickaways. We'll go here. Ha. So you can see. And then, hey, ha, ha, ha. Went around the world. Ha, ha. If you want to be fancy, you can do it twice. Hey, ha, and hey. And that's it.